everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most stunning Grand Tourers of the year, the 2025 Aston Martin DB11. Blending British craftsmanship with modern performance, the DB11 continues to evolve while staying true to its luxurious roots. Let's break down what makes this car so special, from its exterior design to what's under the hood, and everything in between. On the outside, the 2025 DB11 is pure automotive elegance. Its long, sculpted hood and low-slung profile give it a commanding presence on the road. The front grille has been slightly refined for a more aggressive look, flanked by sleek LED headlights that add a modern edge. Flowing body lines run the length of the car, emphasizing its aerodynamic shape, while new alloy wheel designs and sharp rear taillights finish off the look with a perfect balance of sport and sophistication. Every angle of the DB11 is designed to catch the eye and stir the soul. Inside, the DB11 continues Aston Martin's tradition of fine craftsmanship. The cabin features hand-stitched leather, high-quality materials, and a clean layout that blends luxury with technology. The digital instrument cluster and updated infotainment system bring a modern feel to the otherwise classic interior. It's a space that's both driver-focused and supremely comfortable. When it comes to performance, the 2025 DB11 doesn't hold back. Powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, it delivers an impressive 528 horsepower and 513 pound-feet of torque. That power allows the DB11 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, with a top speed nearing 192 miles per hour. The 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, and with adaptive suspension and selectable driving modes, the car effortlessly transitions from relaxed cruiser to aggressive sports machine. Rear-wheel drive keeps the handling lively, offering an engaging experience behind the wheel. Safety has also seen upgrades in the 2025 model. The DB11 now includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and a comprehensive airbag system. While it's designed for performance, Aston Martin has equipped it with the features needed for peace of mind during daily driving or long-distance touring. What really sets the DB11 apart are its unique selling points. It's not just about speed or luxury, it's the way those two are combined. The DB11 is a rare blend of beauty and brawn. Unlike many of its rivals, it offers exclusivity. You won't see these on every street corner, and that rarity adds to its appeal. It's also more versatile than you might expect from a car in this category, offering true GT comfort alongside thrilling performance. The 2025 Aston Martin DB11 starts at around $245,000, but with customization options and premium upgrades, that price can climb closer to $275,000. It's a premium price, but for those seeking something unique, emotional, and exquisitely built, it might just be worth every penny. To wrap it up, the 2025 DB11 is everything you want in a Grand Tourer: fast, beautiful, comfortable, and unmistakably Aston Martin. Whether you're cruising the coast or carving up mountain roads, the DB11 delivers an experience few cars can match. Let me know in the comments what you think of the DB11, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. See you next time.